Marketing a service business can be extremely difficult. As a business owner, you are out on the job. You are getting supplies. You're making sure the employees show up. You're making sure the customer's happy. You're making sure that the job has to get done right. Then at the end of the day, you have to go home and you have to market your service business. How do you do that? Stay tuned and I'll show you one of the first things you need to stop doing when it comes to marketing your service business. Hi, I'm Mike Mancini, helping you market, simplify, and impact your business. Marketing a service business is extremely difficult in these times. You are being attacked by multiple different directions with people saying, you need to try this, you need to do this, why aren't you doing this? You cannot put all of your time and all of your efforts in marketing that service business everywhere. At the end of the day, you go home, you're completely wiped out. You have no more energy, no more time, and definitely no more patience to try to market your business. So what do you do? And I'm probably sure you're wondering how I know about some of this stuff. I've had the opportunity in my marketing agency of working with hundreds of service businesses. I've seen what they do, what they're trying, what's working for them, what's not. On top of that, I've owned a couple of service businesses myself. So my number one tip when it comes to marketing your service business is you need to stop trying to be everywhere. Let's just say you as a business owner, here you are. Okay? When you're trying to market your service business, let's say you go home and you know what? You need to write a blog article. All right? That's one thing. Then, you know what? I need to send out some emails. Oh, but wait, over here, we should be running some ads. Oh, you know what? When it comes over here, we should also be doing some Facebook. Whether that's posts or ads, it doesn't really matter. Or, you know what? I need to make sure that I'm working on the SEO of my website. Oh, but you know what? We better probably start shooting some videos and putting those up and marketing those as well. You need to stop trying to be everywhere with your marketing. I know, I've been there. But the issue is, you cannot do all of this and do it all well. I used to own a marketing agency where we used to do all of this for our clients. And as an agency owner, I know that we could do all of it, but we could not do all of it well. And it's because we were taking our efforts and splitting them up. You know, you might have 20% of your efforts going to your ads or 10% of your budget going towards blogging and all of this. You need to figure out what is working the best, and you need to put your efforts and your marketing dollars towards that and scale it. You are spreading yourself way too thin and giving yourself too much to do when you don't have the time or the energy to do it. And that is what I tried to do. And in fact, up until a few years ago, I was still trying to do this. I was trying to do all of it. I was trying to optimize my website. I was trying to run ads. I was trying to do social media and SEO and video marketing. And you know what? None of it was working well. Not until I focused my efforts on what was working for my business was I able to figure out exactly where I should put my efforts and where I should put my money. Once I started to do that, I was able to scale and I was able to literally double my business inside of 45 days. So are you trying to do these 6 or 7 or 8 different things in marketing your business? Do me a favor, count them up. Let me know how many different ways you're trying to market your service business. Let us know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about it. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, do us a favor, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you'll be notified of when we release new videos each and every week. And if you want to find out step 2 on marketing your service business, go ahead and download our free PDF. It is a 20-page PDF. You can get a link for it in the description area below. 6 things you must stop doing when marketing your service business. Or if you want to see step 2, over to the right-hand side, you will see that video on the number 2 thing you should stop doing when marketing your service business just as soon as we launch it, or some other related videos. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.